Hi, I'm Andy Cranston. In this video I'm going to show you how to create a series of barcode images using software automation. I'm going to automate a program called Barcode Magic to create a series of the barcode images. Now I've got the program up and running here and it's very simple to use. You simply type in some text, it creates the barcode, you then save it as a bitmap file, you give it a name and it creates the bitmap file for you. And if we just start up a graphics viewer to have a look at that bitmap file, there it is. So because I want to create a series of these, I want to automate the program to do this. Now I'm going to run a program that's going to create a series of 10 barcodes in 10 separate bitmaps called BC0001 through to BC0010. So let's run that program. And what the program does is it finds Barcode Magic running on the screen, it moves it into the top left corner, it resizes the window, and now it starts to do the typing and the saving to create each of the barcode sequences, and it gives me a little progress report saying when it's done each one. And now we're finished. So if we now run the viewer program again, we can see that we've got the original barcode Andy that I created manually, and now we've got these 10 barcodes that have been created using software automation. And so if you had, say, 100 or even 1,000 barcodes to create, this is the program that you would want to use. So the software automation is my piece of software is automating an existing piece of software. Thanks for watching and stay safe.